Breaking news coming in, viewers. Foreign Minister Hassan Mahmood has been detained at the airport in Dhaka, and that's the big breaking news we're getting in right now. Hassan Mahmood has been arrested from Dhaka Shah Jahan International Airport. He is known to be one of the biggest culprits in the history of Bangladesh, and that's what we are breaking right now. And Shavan continues to be with us here from the newsroom. Shavan, Foreign Minister now has also been detained in Dhaka.
Well, in fact, a while back you've had the IT Minister who was detained at Dhaka airport. In fact, the IT Minister was on his way to New Delhi. He was stopped at the Dhaka airport. Now we're being told, the latest report now coming in, another minister with the Awami League government has also been detained. So clearly you're looking at those who now have turned out to be the political opponents. They are being targeted by the BNP as well as the Jamaat. It is the Jamaat which appears to be running this entire the show. It is not the army too, because remember, despite the assurances that have been given by the army that the interim government that is going to be put in place, it is the interim government that is going to be the responsibility of the army. But it turns out that in the last few hours, look at the situation on the streets of Dhaka and several other cities like Kumilla as well as Chittagong. What we have seen is that protesters have gone completely they've run amok. The police posts have been decamped, and right now the police all that is happening is that those who are seen closer to the Awami League, they are the ones who are largely being targeted.
Right, Shavan, in fact, for the benefit of our viewers, just let us remind them that there are multiple developments that we are tracking. First of all, the big breaking we got is that the rejig is happening in the Bangladeshi army, a major reshuffle in the top ranks. And now, in the latest, we have another minister who has been detained. Foreign Minister Hassan Mahmood has been detained at the airport, and he has been arrested from Dhaka Shah Jahan International Airport. This clearly points out how things are unfolding, how Shavan was telling us about the Jamaat, calling the shots and orchestrating the entire unrest and anarchy that is unfolding in Bangladesh. The former Foreign Minister of Bangladesh, Hassan Mahmood, has been detained. Remember, there is indication of foreign hand in what's really happening in Bangladesh. Sajib Wajid, who is the son of former Prime Minister Sheikh Hasina of Bangladesh, says that there is no doubt that there is a foreign entity involved, a foreign country involved. He has hinted at Pakistan-ISI nexus also. And that's, of course, one of the, the suspected roles of Pakistan that is being investigated upon. And we are getting you multiple updates on that, viewers, as we track the minute-by-minute developments from Bangladesh.